I'm living my best life. I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned all my L's into lessons.
Hey everybody, this is Christopher. I appreciate you watching today. So I have an unboxing from Off-White. So originally on my wish list, I had the original black low-cut sneakers. Not low, is it low-cut? No, that's with tops. low top sneakers, and with the black and white stripe with the orange tag hanging off the side. However, I went in a little different direction and got something else. But before we get into this unboxing, I need you to do some work. If you are not already subscribed, please subscribe. I'm trying to at least get to 100 subscribers and then go on from there. So I need your help. Pretty please, and thank you. Subscribe, click the bell so you are notified every single time I have videos coming up, because trust me, there are a lot of videos coming up really soon. Comment below what you want to see, and comment on this video anything you liked, anything you enjoyed, anything I missed. I'm trying to get better, and I want to gear these videos towards what you want to see. So let me know. And of course, you gotta share it with everybody so they can be a part of, what is this? The CC family? The CC. Be a CC too. So they can be a part of what's going on around here. Alright, so I did a little pre-unboxing because I already seen it. But also I didn't want to like be doing all the cutting and ripping everything on camera. But of course it came in a box. A brown box. A brown square box. And let's see. Nothing fancy, just came with a receipt and everything. I didn't get them from the Off-White site, I got them from somewhere else. It's part of my little my little tricks that I had on where to find some things for the low, and they still be real. But anyway, this is the box. It's like a mint green box. It's kind of cool. It has a tag on it. Let's see if it'll focus. There we go. Almost. Alright, so let's go ahead and open the box up. Alright, here it is. And I got... You ready or not? Okay. They are not black and white. They are actually like a mauve color. A mauve color low top sneaker. And I love these because they still have like the stripes here, and they have the orange tag, and I'm sure it's something symbolic to the brand because I see it on a lot of the shoes. But with the tag, it's not orange. It's like a black and white, floral print. And I thought that was kind of different. I really thought that was different. And the color as a whole, I like them. They're a suede color. And they're like a mauve, and I thought it'd be really good to like mix this with different colors, especially with the fall coming up, and this could take you into the spring as well. So I thought it was super cool. So I got these in a size 7. So they're size 7 in men. And yeah, they're pretty good. It did just come with one dust bag, which is, I'm just getting used to it. Especially given that some companies are not doing a dust bag at all, so I'm just grateful for it. And here is the match to the shoe. Alright, so we have these. So like I said, you know, pretty cool. They're pretty cool. I'm going to try them on, and we'll have a little looky look and see how they really look on, and hopefully they fit. I hope they do. This is my first item from Off-White. I do have some other things kind of on my wish list from them, but I want some other things first before I get those. But I definitely, hopefully these work out, and I cannot wait to style them. And in order for you to see that, you'll have to subscribe and follow me on Instagram to see how I pair these and what I pair them with. And if you have any ideas on how to pair them, let me know. Help a brother out. You know what I'm saying? Alright, so that's all I have for you. I'm going to go in for the try on now. And until next time, take care of yourself. Be safe, be healthy, be blessed. Alright, bye you all.